what time it is, what day it is, what year it is. That's what we're gonna learn today. Hi, my name is Maria and I'm a native Ukrainian speaker living in the United States. I started this channel to share more about my native language and my culture. If you're enjoying these videos, if you're finding them useful, and if they're helping you learn Ukrainian, or you're just having fun watching them, let me know. Please consider pressing the like button and subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. It's actually really encouraging and really motivating, and it just helps me go further and think of more videos and create more videos for you guys. In this video, we will learn some of the basic vocabulary you will need if you'd like to make plans with someone. First, let's learn how to say today. To say today, in Ukrainian, you need to say сьогодні. 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 Next, yesterday will be вчора. 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 And finally, looking into the future, tomorrow will be завтра. 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 Going a little bit further in the past, if we want to refer to the day before yesterday, we would say позавчора. Repeat after me. Позавчора. Позавчора. If we want to plan a little bit further and talk about the day after tomorrow, we would say післязавтра. Repeat after me. Післязавтра. Післязавтра. Often when you make plans, you would like to refer to days or weeks or even months. So let's learn how to say those time differentiators in Ukrainian. To say day in Ukrainian, you would say день. Repeat after me. День. День. Now, if we talk a little bit more long term and would like to plan, let's say, weeks at a time, we would need to know how to say week. To say week in Ukrainian, you would say тиждень. 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 If you would like to ask what week are we meeting, you would ask якого тижня? Якого тижня? Let's level up a little bit. Let's say we're even more long term. We're planning months at a time. To say months, in Ukrainian, you would say місяць. 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 So if you would like to ask what month, you would ask якого місяця. Якого місяця. Якого місяця. Finally, the pro level, yearly planning. To say year in Ukrainian, you would say рік. 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 So if you would want to say which year, you would ask якого року? Якого року? Якого року? Now, a lot of times when we talk about plans, we would like to refer to the previous or the next, let's say next day or next week. So let's learn how to say next and previous in Ukrainian. To say next, as in next week, you would say наступного тижня. If you would like to say next year, you would say наступного року. Next day, наступного дня. Now, if we want to refer to the last month or last week, we would say минулого. Минулого тижня, минулого року, чи минулого місяця? Минулого. Now that you've learned some of the basic time and date expressions in Ukrainian to allow you to plan for the future or talk about your past, let's learn some of the basic phrases that can help you with planning or coordinating things. To ask what day is it today, you can ask який сьогодні день? Який сьогодні день? Який сьогодні день? If you want to ask someone about their plans, you can ask, what's your plans? To say that in Ukrainian, you can ask які ваші плани? Be careful, ваші here is capitalized, which means that you're putting utmost respect to the person you're talking to. What's your plans? Які ваші плани? Які ваші плани? Які ваші плани? Be more specific and would like to ask someone when is your next meeting. To ask that in Ukrainian, you should say коли ваша наступна зустріч? Коли ваша наступна зустріч? Коли ваша наступна зустріч? Let's say you don't have any meetings until tomorrow. To say that your next meeting is tomorrow, you can say моя наступна зустріч завтра. Моя наступна зустріч завтра. Моя наступна зустріч завтра. Finally, you might want to postpone your meeting and ask someone to just simply chat tomorrow about this issue. To ask someone, can we talk about this tomorrow? You can say, чи можемо ми поговорити про це завтра? Чи можемо ми поговорити про це завтра? Чи можемо ми поговорити про це завтра? This concludes our lesson of basic expressions that can help you with planning. If you haven't already, please tap that like button, it's absolutely free, and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Let me know in the comments what else you'd like to learn, and I'll see you soon. Plans. Let's learn how to say to. Before we get at it, please consider placing. So if you would like to ask someone, now that you've learned about. This concludes our lesson of basic Can I ask you something? Press the like button and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that.